Let's go back to the Proclamation Hotline, brought to you by Proclamation Goods, and go over to Colorado to talk to Nancy, who's listening to us on the Roar of the Rockies, KHNC 1360 AM.
Hello, yes, my name is Nancy, and I am located in Colorado. And my question is, I have looked on the internet and seen dozens of suggestions on what to use when planting your tomatoes, as far as, nutrients and that to put in the hole while you're planting them. And I was calling to find out what your recommendation is. Thank you.
All right, Holly. Well, you asked two gardeners what to plant in the hole with the tomatoes. You get 17 different answers. What we would recommend is we don't put Tums or powdered milk or eggshells or anything in the hole. What we have is a good foundation of a good compost or soil that's healthy. And we do add fertilizer.
We add organic fertilizer.
All balanced.
All purpose.
Yeah.
So something like a 10-10-10 or less.
Right.
Ideally a little bit less. It doesn't have to be like 7-7-7. It might be like 7-5-7 or 5-3-5 or 3-5-7, whatever. Right. But it's a 10-10 or less, all purpose organic fertilizer. And then what we do is once we have the tomato planted, we trim off the lower few inches of leaves, and then we use whole grain cornmeal, yellow whole grain cornmeal, and just take a handful of it, sprinkle it around the base of the plant, and that helps prevent early blight, and you're good to go.
Yes, so nothing fancy. Just follow the recommended rates on the back of the fertilizer bag. Just because it says 2 tablespoons doesn't mean 4 is better. You can actually damage and cause more problems with that.